I guess I'm live by now. Let me wait for a live stream start signal. Yeah, there you go. So I was doing this machine for after a long time. Like I opened TryHackMe, saw a new machine coming, and when I see a description, it's pretty much straightforward that we have to access this particular IP. But when you try to like access this particular IP, it's actually forbidden. We cannot access it. So the only thing we have to do is could be like very less possibilities. Like we can do SSRF or maybe something else. But the good thing is when I like scroll and visit it manually, found this feedback stuff. So it first it seems like could be some SSDI or maybe SSRF. But when I see XSS, it's actually if you try to trigger an XSS, it's like a blind XSS. You cannot even know if it's triggered or not. So if I do like a simple, alerting or confirming SSS script, it's not gonna work because it's running on a backend like a SSTI. Like I mean, sorry, it's like a blind XSS. So the best way to is if you have like a access hunter or something, but it's working on a local machine, so you can just pretty much set up your own Python or etcat server and just get your IP that you have accessibility to, and you can just do like a simple fetch script like on here. This is a intentionally source file which will give an error. So on error, after that, let me zoom in. Yeah, on error, so we're gonna like do a fetch, then the IP that we just opened, that is in our AD. So like this we can use something like this to fetch, or maybe just in it like this code. So what we're gonna do is we're intentionally triggering our error. This is for my given error. So the second part will get executed and let's try to fetch this particular URL where we have like listening. So if I just go and hit enter, it's gonna take some time, but after some time you're gonna see a response here. So see, we got a response from this particular IP 11.111.135, which is this IP. So we know that there is some accesses going on with given data exfiltration. So all you have to do is data exfiltration. Just see some you do a data exfiltration technique. And after also I figured out like have some trouble, then I just use some ChatGPT and ended up in this beautiful data exfiltration code. So all we wanted is to access this flag file, right? So this is the final code. So the same thing, but in here we're trying to fetch the flag. So this means it's access after the 80 port. We can just give the whole IP, like the whole step, or just give maybe the flag, the path. So it's not the root path is these till here. So just not want to make code complex, so you can just pretty much ignore the IP, and then it's gonna change this to an txt file, then fetch that request to the IP of ours, that is this IP. And if I just hit a submit button, so it will give a flag to us, technically fetching the internal flag path. There you go. So it's requested and give us a track me flag path, and it was pretty easy for me. Like when I saw the machines, I mean, even the description is saying pretty easy, and it's an easy machine, and it was fun. After coming back in TrackMan for so long time. Kudos to Toxic Getter for making this wonderful machine about um the tax filtration. So this is all about this stream. So peace out. Take care.